Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to fix error 264 Roblox Mobile. This is a step-by-step guide so you should be able to follow easily. Now this can happen due to multiple reasons, and one of those reasons is corrupted game files. To go ahead and fix it, you want to open up your App Store. Inside App Store, just click on Roblox and you want to make sure that your application is up to date. If that doesn't work, you can head over to your system settings, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on General. Inside General, navigate through the iPhone storage, and from here you want to look for Roblox. Inside Roblox, just click on the offload app, and right after clicking that button, a new button will appear saying reinstall app. This will go ahead and reinstall Roblox from the App Store, which will get rid of the problem. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.